Reynosa is located on the USA-Mexico border very near McAllen, Texas. Its very convenient position in the Mexico Northeast region has made it a technology star inside this cluster of technological cities, including Nuevo Laredo, Matamoros in the Tamaulipas state and Monterrey in the neighboring Nuevo Leon state. Nowadays, one of the main economical activities of the city is the manufacturing industry. Dozens of manufacturing facilities populates the different industrial parks located inside and on the periphery of the city since the last decades of 21st century, even though more city wealth sources have been present in Reynosa for dozens of years. One of the most important is the natural gas extraction and refinement that has brought different oil-related firms to work in the near region called Cuenca de Burgos that lies among the Coahuila, Nuevo Leon and Tamaulipas states. Today, Reynosa is a very modern, thriving city that observes the future with a great positive perspective. The city, including modern commercial malls and well-traced communication vias, has been growing very quickly due to, mainly, the impulse given by the Maquila program that has allowed hundreds of maquiladoras to be established, taking advantage of the skilled workforce available. Maquiladora is the name used to refer to the manufacturing industries in Mexico. With more than 700,000 inhabitants, the municipio is the biggest in Tamaulipas state and one of the fastest-growing cities of all Mexico. Many people from all over the country has moved to Reynosa due to the outstanding opportunities to obtain a good job position, earning very competitive salaries and living in a city that includes the required services for personal and family needs. State government has allowed the settling of very prestigious nationwide known schools and universities that have complemented the locally available institutions and have gotten an outstanding pool of options for hundreds of students eager for new talents and skills. Many technical institutions have been established, giving thousands of options for the many companies looking for skilled workforce. The proximity to American cities like McAllen, Laredo, Brownsville, San Antonio and Houston has made of Reynosa the very strategically located place to export all over the USA and even the world, with near modern seaports and airports available for any abroad shipping. US Highway 281 and 77 connects the American contiguous region to many different cities going north up to Canada. Many high-technology industries have settled in Reynosa. Industrial sectors including medical, electronics, automotive, metal mechanics have found that Mexico, the Mexican northeast area of the USA-Mexico border, and specifically Reynosa, have a lot to offer to these high-technology corporations that are looking for low labor costs, high availability of human resources, privileged location, highly skilled labor and well-prepared engineers. Different industrial parks are available in Reynosa that allocate these international corporations manufacturing facilities, and more are planned to arrive in the short term. Corporation is Corning, TRW, Laird Technologies, Bronco Electronics, C&D Technologies, Unimedical Devices, Panasonic, Penter, Eaton Minnesota Rubber, Mikuni, Jabil, Fujitsu 10, Emerson, Alcom, Motorola, Nibco, LG, Black & Decker, Kimball, and many more have established their facilities here in the city due to the confidence to thrive their business. Crime and delinquency figures have dropped down and have been controlled by the local and federal authorities, making the city a good place to live and thrive. Even though the reputation of the city is still feared by many people, this is changing quickly due to the results obtained in the last years to control crime organizations. Future for Reynosa looks very promising and exciting, and everybody coming here is warmly welcome to progress at the same time as the city does.